Hello there. In this class we are going to be seeing what registers are and what are the types of registers. Now if you are familiar with the structure of a CPU, it contains an ALU, it contains a CU, and it contains some registers. Registers are basically some small tiny memories in the CPU, which are basically used to welcome the data that is coming towards the CPU. It simply saves that data, stores the data for very small amount of time, and when the execution time is over, it gives it back to the other memories that a computer has. So these are the basic purpose of the registers. Now we are going to see the 8086 register set in the succeeding slide. Now in 8086 register set contains almost 14 registers that we have mentioned here. If you can see, all of them are here. The first register is the accumulator register, which is basically used to store some data regarding the arithmetic operations. It can be either 16-bit, or you can also use 8 bits of it by calling them by a H or a L, which is a high or a low. Apart from that, we have a base register, which mostly serves as an address register, but we can also use it for other tasks like arithmetic operations too. It also has other variants, which we can also use 8-bit version of this one. Then we have the counter register. Basically this is used for loop control. Then we have the data register, which is mostly used in division and multiplication to store things like the carry or the remainder and all. So this is the sole purpose. Apart from that, we can also use this for different other operations like arithmetic operations or some other operations. Then we have a code segment register. If you are familiar with the structure of assembly program, you would see that assembly program contains code segment, it contains data segment, it contains a stack. So for those three segments, we have three separate registers in an 8086 register set. Then we have an extra segment register, which serves as a backup. If in case the code segment is full, we can also use the extra segment. Then we have a source index register. Basically this is also used to access some data from the data segment register. It is also used to do the same thing. There is a slight difference between these two that we are going to be mentioning after a few days. Let me slide this picture for you guys. So then we have some other registers here. So these registers are basically, then we have we discussed this one. 3, 2, 1. Then we have a stack pointer register. Stack pointer is basically used to access the stack segment that we have mentioned here. Then we have a base pointer. Base pointer is actually used to access some data that we have inside our stack. Then we have the instruction pointer register. Instruction pointer register is simply it works just like our PC or program counter. It increments whenever the instruction is executed. Then we have a flag register, which contains almost 16 bits. Out of them, a few bits are used as flags. We are going to be mentioning all of these flags in the succeeding lectures. So this is it from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, because we have created a new channel, so you can support us by liking our videos and subscribing our channel. Thank you.